Hi guys, it's Blair here, and this is the second video in our colour theory videos. So last week we made our colour wheel with our primary, secondary and tertiary colours, and we learned how to mix all of these colours. Yeah? So this week we are going to talk about complementary colours. So complementary colours are the colours that are opposite each other on the colour wheel. So here is a chart that I prepared, which is easier to see. So you can see that red and green are complementary colours because they are opposite each other. Blue and orange are opposite each other, and violet and yellow. And the same with all colours on the colour wheel. If they are opposite each other, then that is that colour's complementary colour. So the activity today is we are going to paint this painting with complementary colours. So as you can see, we've taken the complementary colours. So one of them is the background. So in this one it's green. And then green's complementary colour is red. So the red square is in the middle. Okay, so I am going to show you how we made this. Okay. Alright, so first things first, as you can see here, I have mixed up my secondary colours, which are violet, green and orange. So we're going to mix those like we did in the first video and put that to the side. And now we can prepare the paper. So to do that, I'm going to draw a line down the middle of the paper. And then I'm going to split this part into three. So I'm going to have to draw a line down the middle here, across the paper, and then one more roughly about there. There, so now I've got 6 squares. And now we can paint. So I'm going to paint one of the squares, my first square, with yellow. So you can paint whatever square you like. Doesn't have to be in the same order as mine. The next colour I'm going to do is blue. And I think I'm going to go in this square. And for my red square, I'm going to go in this corner here. Right, so now I have my primary colours, yellow, blue and red. I'm going to put in my secondary colours. So I'm going to put my purple in this one. And the last one is green. Alright, so now we're going to let that dry. You might need to give it a few minutes maybe, or you can use a hair dryer to dry it. And we'll wait until you can touch it and your finger stays clean. So that's a good way to see if it's dry. So we'll give that a few minutes. Okay, so now my paint is dry. I can touch it and my finger comes away clean. We're going to paint in the complementary colours. So the complementary colour for yellow, which is its opposite on the colour wheel, is violet. So I'm going to get my violet and paint a square inside my yellow. And my next colour, I'm going to do my orange. So the complementary colour of orange is blue. And now I'm going to do the complementary colour of blue, which we have here is orange. Now I'm going to do the purple, which is yellow. Now I'm going to do the complementary colour of green, which is red. And the last one, I'm going to do the complementary colour of red, which is green. Alright, and there we have our finished complementary colour chart.